Alright, this is a classic. Find the constant term in the expansion of 3 over x minus x squared to the 9. Now there is a formula way of doing it and a common sense way of doing it. In this video I'm just going to do the common sense way. I just think it's a little bit quicker. Those of you who love the formula, you can crunch it out using the formula. So the structure of any expansion in a binomial is the first term of the binomial in a bracket, the second term in a bracket, and then each of these are powered up, or they have an exponent, and then at the start we have a number from the triangle, and it'll be 9 choose, well, either of the exponents works because of the symmetry of the triangle. Usually the formula tags the second exponent in here. So that's what we're looking for now, and now it's just guess and check. But guess and check with, educated guesses and checks, because we know that the exponents must sum to 9, and we need then the x's cancelling out. Now notice the blue here is on the numerator, and the red here is on the denominator. The blue is twice as much as the red, so then in fact if you want them cancelling out, the blue exponent should be half of the red exponent. So just by a bit of logical thinking, you should quickly get to 3 here and then 6 here. Now that for me is just a smart way of using your knowledge and your understanding of the binomial expansion, thinking about the structure of it and the shape of it, and rather than relying on the formula. Now I've got to that situation within even narrating. I've got to it in quite a quick time, maybe about a minute, and I was taking my time with it. Using a formula, you've got to set it up, you've got to solve an equation, you could make mistakes. This to me seems the quickest way. And now we can go ahead and just evaluate this. All right, so we'll use a calculator for some of this. In fact, I'm going to go up, 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 and I'm going to go grab the n-choose formula here, bring it down again, and then I'm going to go edit it. This is 9 choose 3. There it is 84, so there's 84 here, and this is times 3 to the 6 here, divided by x to the 6, and then this is negative x squared cubed, and don't forget that we know those x's are going to cancel out, so we're just really looking for the term, the numbers basically, and thinking carefully about the sign. So we've got a negative 1 here powered up to 3, so that's going to be a negative answer. And the answer is just 84 times by 3 to the 6. We'll just do that with a calculator. We'll bring the 84 down here, and we'll do times by 3, the exponent 6. The answer is 61,236. So the answer is negative 61,236. So going for the shape, that key I think is the key idea, that we can zoom in on a single term of an expansion without having to use a formula and without having to expand the whole of the binomial.